Hello my dear friends, today I will talk about a little bit more about a special mineral that it really can help you if you had sick knees, especially if you have arthritis or osteoarthritis. Usually in these cases you have damaged cartilage, knee pain, maybe you have the stiffness of the swelling. This mineral is gonna help you a lot. Today you will meet the mineral boron. Boron is a trace element obtained from the fruit and the vegetables, especially apples, grapes, pears, plums, prunes, strawberries, avocado and broccoli. Boron has several complex actions that depend on its ability to inhibit or stimulate a variety of enzymes. It is thought to be involved in normal brain function by affecting movement of the chemicals across the membrane of the brain cells. It is also important for the bone health through its ability to boost production or active vitamin D, needed for absorption of the calcium from the intestines, and to reduce excretion of calcium and magnesium. In the short, that means if you take regularly a high quality food or a recommended daily dosage, a little bit later about that, you will get a good quality protection for the knee joint. That means boron is connected with the calcium, also with the magnesium, also with vitamin D. All together, if they work properly, it's gonna give you a really good position and the health benefits for the knee joint. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you, my dear viewers, my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is coming out soon. Much about my new book at the end of the show. Boron is needed trace amounts for the healthy bones and the muscle growth because it assists in the production of natural steroid compounds within body. It is also necessary for the metabolism of calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. Boron enhances the brain function, promotes alertness, and plays a role in how the body utilizes energy from the fats and the sugars. Elderly people usually benefits from taking food supplements, and this is also very important. Usually if you have 50, 60 or years or more, you have the knee problems. That is my experience in last 25 years that I've been working with the patients. Usually if you take boron supplements and the food, it's gonna get you a very good position and you get to reduce a chance of getting a knee arthritis, especially in the elderly people. Boron deficiency accumulates vitamin B deficiency. Boron helps to prevent postmenopausal osteoporosis and build muscle. New research indicates that taking supplementation boron can shrink prostate tumor size, can lower blood levels of prostate-specific antigen PSA, a marker for the prostate cancer, and may help prostate prevention. Boron alleviates joint discomfort by reducing level of both COX-2 and LOX enzymes and help to preserve cognitive functions. Studies have shown that in the areas of the world where the level of boron in the soil is low, there are a greater number of people suffering from arthritis and many other problems. In the short, you need to think about it like this. Boron has many health benefits for our body, especially it's good for the joint, for the muscles, but also for our brain. If you take boron in the food or the food supplements, you get a lot clearer picture each day. Your memory will be better, and of course you're gonna prevent also dementia like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease. Research shows that people with lower bone and synovial fluid boron concentration experience higher rates of arthritis than those with the higher levels. Boron extracts anti-inflammatory properties and be helpful for women with painful menstrual cycles. Boron is found naturally in apples, carrots, grape, dark green leafy vegetables, raw nuts, pears and the whole grains. Do not take more than 3 to 6 milligrams supplementations boron daily. That is also very important to know. Usually, if you take good quality supplements for the knee protection, if you have the knee arthritis, you need 2 to 3 milligrams boron each day, not much more. Because in the large quantity, if you take boron, you can get negative side effects and you want to avoid this. Couple more interesting information. Also, you will need 2000 milligrams of calcium per day, 1000 milligrams of magnesium per day, also 3 milligrams of copper per day. Boron, calcium, magnesium and the copper are the key minerals for the health of your knees. Take them with the good quality food or nutritional supplements. If you want healthy joints, follow the diet called intermittent fasting, exercise regularly. About intermittent fasting, I was writing in my first book. If you take intermittent fasting, a regular exercise, and you take boron, magnesium, calcium and copper each day, especially if you are elderly people, this is going to help you a lot with your joint problem, especially if you had knee arthritis or the osteoarthritis. If you have any kind of recommendation how you are getting better with your knee problems, please comment below. My new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 coming out soon. You will learn more about the rich history of the use of the plants in the healing in their role in traditional medicine. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicines with advice on the dosage, possible side effects and interaction with other medicines, especially these chemical medicines that you receive regularly in your medical offices. This book is going to teach you a lot, and you will not anymore need this chemical medicine that had a large a number of side effects. You don't need injections. You will need no more operation if you learn what is the natural remedy and what is the best natural remedy in this world. So this is part 1 of the 4th part book that will come out this year and the next year. Amazing Natural Remedy Part 1 is an ideal guide for use of natural remedies in the fight against the worst diseases of the modern man. Another important piece of information, that book will be available for pre-order from the May 1st on mariolab.hr, my own website. The book is officially published 10th May, and then we start sending it all over the world. From 1st May till 31st May, we are giving away 50% discount on the purchase of the first book. For everyone who wants to buy my first book, Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity, together with my second book, Wonderful Natural Remedies Part 1, in package. 2 books together in period from May 1st to May 31st. We grant a discount on 25%. Those discounts are my gift to you, and a couple more very important information. From the May, the book is going to be on sale on English and on Croatian language. On those 2 languages right now, a book would be sold. On many more languages we are going to translate this book, but this translation is going to take a little bit more time. In next couple of months you will heard from me a couple more information related to the translation of these books. From now you need to know, from the 1st May you can pre-order Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 on Croatian and English language on mariolab.hr. See you!